So as part of our security automation program, we're going to take lots of different security tools and we're going to shift them left into the SDLC, into our dev pipeline so that many different dev projects can run security tools as part of their build and release cycle, which is already automated. But taking that information and those tools into those SDLCs and pipelines can make it a lot harder for you to capture the security metrics that you need to be able to report on how security programs are performing to management and stakeholders, but also for our own insights into the teams and into the tools so we can continually improve them. And this ends up being quite a manual task for the security team because somebody has to go in and suck all those results out of the different security tools, match them to time, put them into a spreadsheet, normalize the information, and then try to generate the reports. And that then becomes something that lags behind the releases because the dev cycles are moving faster and the reports get slower because of the manual tasks. So this is where the Uleska platform really helps. The platform is automating and orchestrating all those different security tools for the security and for the development teams in the pipeline. And it's also aggregating and normalizing all the different results together into our database, which means the information is there and tracked so that you can extract that in our charts, but also over our API to be able to develop your own metrics as you need. So if we take the demo platform here, we've got a number of projects already run through this. We have them segregated into teams and view our documentation and videos on Uleska Teams for more information about what teams are. But you can then see automatically generated charts and information from Uleska based on the number of weeks the projects have been running. Here we have the track of the overall risk across the organization over the last number of weeks. We can tie that down into individual projects and individual teams. And at any point, you can take these and store these images if you want to generate your own reports. As you move projects across teams, that automatically updates these various charts that are created. And it records information like the number of vulnerabilities that are in each project and across each team, the risk of the projects, the ASPS categories of them, when the issues appear, when the issues are fixed, and that sort of information so you can generate very good reports from that. So for example, our analytics here is able to show high-level information across the overall organization. You can see the total risk, the number of vulnerabilities, things like that. And as you can see here quite easily, over the last 4 weeks, our number of issues has dropped by about 10%, but the overall risk has dropped by about 80%, which is a way of showing that we're working on the right types of issues and reducing the risk properly by identifying the highest risk issues to work on first. And one way you can do that is a chart like this, where we categorize everything to the OWASP ASPS, and we can report at a high level the different metrics you have in each of those categories. So you can work out maybe where to do a brown bag session or where to implement some technology to help reduce your overall risk. So sign up for the Uleska platform. There's a free online account you can create, put your projects in, mess around with the various statistics and metrics that are generated, and see how they would work for you and your organization. Remember, these are all automatically generated as you're running your different projects and pipelines through the Uleska platform. Thank you very much.